This is Ray Torres into the outdoor, guys, and I'm here trying to see if I can catch some trouts. Only you. Beautiful, man. Look at this. It's a beautiful day. It's around the 80s. And I put my shirt so that way I don't have to. Let me see if I can catch some trouts, guys. Put more string into my. See what's up in here. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day. Let me try here. No waterfall here. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the woods. When I'm fishing. It's a beautiful day in the woods. A beautiful day in the woods. When I'm fishing. When I'm fishing. It's a beautiful day in the woods. A beautiful, I think my come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No fish there, no fish there. It's a beautiful day. It's the most beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. October 31st, and it's beautiful. Around 75 or 76 degrees. It's gonna be in the 80s. I was gonna go to Red Bridge on the top side, but they're cutting some branches. So I came in here, so cutting branches next to the roads, and I don't wanna block the road. They're gonna cut the branches where I'm gonna park. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Fishing in my neighborhood. Okay, guys, if I fish something, I will show you. Okay, guys, I got a fish. I got a fish. I don't know what it's a small, big fish. Maybe it's a bluegill. I don't know. Oh, it's a brook trout. Oh, right there. No, it's a fall fish. Small fall fish. The fall fish. Hmm? You bastard. I don't want you around my hook. But at least I fished something. There might be another short. Another short video. There you go. Come on. It's hard to see. Beautiful place. I love it. If I would have my boots, I would have walked all the way to the edge of. You know, when you're fishing, it's just there's so much leaf on the river that you pick up those leaves too, and they pull you really good. And you've been thinking that probably it's a pull from a fish or something, but it's the leaves stuck into the line. Beautiful day. Come on, listen. Huh. I'm gonna head a little bit further down before it gets dark. Before it gets dark, buddy boys. Buddy boys. Ooh la 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 la, buddy boys. Man. Let me see if I can find some better. Look at this, man. What do you think? Look at this trail here. It's beautiful. Okay, guys, I got a fish. It's small, but I got a fish. Right coming that way. I don't know what it is. It could be a brook trout or another fall fish. It's a fall fish. Another fall fish, guys. There we go, right here. Small little size. Okay, there you go. Smaller size. Fall fish is good bait, but for ocean fishing or catfish. Okay. Got that one. Okay, guys, I got a fish. Hope he's a trout. Maybe it could be a fall fish. Again, small, not that big. Not that big. Where are you? I told you it was a fall fish. That's why they're biting. Fall fish. Another fall fish, guys. See it? Those are the things that are biting me. Okay, there you go. I think that'll be it for me, guys. Maybe this is gonna be I don't know what happened to all the trouts that were here, but hey, I know there's some they just not biting today. They're not biting today. So, well, guys, until next time. It's dark. It's 6 o'clock, exactly 6 o'clock. So it's a beautiful place. I have 3 of the fall fish, no trouts, nothing at all. I asked some fly fisherman, he told me nothing either. So I was getting bites towards that way, but I think it was a fall fish. That's what I was missing a lot too. He's taking my bait, so I'm gonna check if I can do a second part, but I'm gonna use this as my second part. Okay, until the second part. Until next time. This is Ray Torres into the outdoors. Hello.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
We're back here.
Beautiful spot.
The Swift River in a good new spot. This is a new spot. We can still walk that way. See, I think that's why the trail was on that side.
Yeah. Under that branch over there. Look over here.
This is nice. This is beautiful. This is my first time here, guys. First time here. This is beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Okay, guys, I will let you go. There's somebody fishing on a kayak over there. Okay, guys, let me see what we can catch today. Vamos a tirar para allá.
No. Mira ese que quedó para allá. Allí está.
I don't see nothing following, so they usually follow it too. You can probably fish on top of that.
Yeah, something big.
Yeah, I can see something over there.
Yeah, like mordió. And I don't even see the power bait anymore.
No. I think he has it in his mouth.
I think he does.
Hey, I don't know if that's the trout right there.
He has it. He has it in his mouth.
He has it?
Yeah, he's pulling. I don't know how I'm gonna get him out. So yeah.
Si te metiera para allá para el palo.
Yeah.
Well, you can pull it up if you can. Just. Oh, look at that spot over there, man. That house is right there.
Yeah.
Real nice.
I ain't fucking pull anymore. Oh yeah.
You got him. You got him. You got him. Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, try to get near. Try to get right there. Que no se te vaya a caer. There you go. There you go, dude. Can't even cross it under, huh?
Nope. It's a nice one too.
Yeah. Pero no te metas para allá. You can't cross it under.
Yeah, I'm gonna try right now.
Pero no te vaya a caer, bro. Or you trying to like?
How many? You think you could grab onto this, bro?
Let me see. I don't want to. Okay. Go ahead.
There we go. I got this on there.
You want to let it go?
Yeah, you can let it go.
Ah, ahí es el problema, se te encajó.
Came this way, that's why.
There you go.
Where do I got him hooked at? Right here. Oh, this is gonna be a problem.
Oh, yeah. Ahora no, you need it to cross it over.
Yeah. This.
There you go, there you go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Nice. That's a biggie one, man. That's a biggie. Woo. Nice, man.
Ah, man.
Ve, porque si fueran stock, tuviéramos el jabo pelado.
Yeah.
Sí.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah. You got any luck?
No.
No? Es como tú dices, están debajo de esos palos, bro.
Yeah.
Tráete una bag.
No. Tú tienes, ¿verdad?
Yo tengo, ya, pero...
Te puedes llevar este, bro. No.
Ya, pero que no. Póngalo ahí, porque no, estoy grabando aquí. Wow, nice, bro. Just go slowly. Step on it. There you go. Step on it slowly. Don't step up too hard because otherwise.
El grandote se escondió ahí debajo, bro.
Yeah.
Aquí va la llave, sí. Ahí mito por ahí el culo.
Yeah. Wow, man.
¿Dónde también tienen que estar? Allí mismo.
¿Ah?
Allí tienen que estar.
Yeah. Pero ese está ahí metido. Yo lo vi también. Por eso te lo enseñé, papá. Dice que ahí está metido él. There.
Te digo para acá, bro, mira, para allí. Hasta de lado, allí. Así mismo, pero... Ahí mismo tienen que haber ahí escondido. There has to be one around there. I can see the power.
It's gotta be there, bro. I just see it. Ya ahí no salió. ¿Ah?
Ahí, bro.
Ajá.
Grandecito.
Sí, yo vi ese el chiquitito que pasó para acá, sí.
Oh, you can catch those with the worms. Tan grandecitos son como así, era.
Oh, ya.
Mucho eso. Tan grande.
Es que por estos ganchos, por eso que yo no puedo. I'm afraid que se vayan a encajar el hilo ahí.
Ah, verdad, pues. Mira, allí que vienen con uno grande ahora. Allí.
They're here on this side. Es verdad lo que dice el tipo, que no, nadie pesca acá más que ese de calle que vino por ahí, pero I wonder where he came from.
Oh, ahí hay uno grande de rodilla ahora. Parece como un rainbow. Está los brocha y está el rainbow más adelante.
Let me check a little further down. Y acá el agua como que es más clear. Wow, look at how beautiful it looks. This river connects right here to this pond. I don't know, they probably have some trouts in there. And this one here, brown trouts in there. This is. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. This is a new area that I just found. They just told me to come here, and never. This is my first time here. Let me see if I can guess a little bit better. There's gotta be something here. There's gotta be something in here, man. Right towards that way or something. Yo, if you see the horses, it looks like when we drive to the other side, we see this part. You got one? Oh, I'm stuck. I got a branch, I think, whatever it is. A branch, or what the hell is it? Another string? Branch? Look how beautiful this looks, guys. If you camp here by permit only. It says right there in that sign. You need a permit to camp. It's nice. I can see some trout, but they're no catching. I haven't fished one yet. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, there's a wood area. Toy, ven acá, que están picando en este lado. The one trout here coming this way. There it goes right there. There you go, guys. My trouty. There goes my trout. Guess how nice it is. Ven acá. Come over here, bro. Antes que se ponga oscuro. I think they're over here in the deeper side. Okay, thank you, Lord. This is my first. But now, my friend and I have 1 and 1. Right there, both of them. Before it gets dark, my goodness, they stop biting in the dark time. We walked and walked and walked and nothing. Now they are biting right at this moment. Power bait. I had to do it with power bait, guys, because they're not biting with worms. The area that we were is a nice place. I don't know what it's called. I didn't even read the signs, but it's a beautiful place. Rainbow color power bait. Green rainbow. Power bait expensive. Very expensive. Okay, let me try to see right there. Whew. I'll probably catch at the wrong spot, but that's alright. Problem is, guys, if you don't catch at the right spot, you gotta catch where they are. So I'm gonna take it out and cast it again. The spot that I was casting earlier. There you go. Right over there. Ven, yo. Vete acá que está clarito. Before it gets dark. Okay, collar's over there. I'm fishing here. I don't know, I'm not too sure. They're still on it. He's biting. He's biting. But I don't know if is it biting my. I think he's biting my my split shots. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what it is. They're biting my split shot. It's right there in front of you, man. ¿Dónde están las hojas esas ahí? Right there. Eso que se ve ahí. Right there, ahí que me está picando.
Lo voy a tirar para acá,
Tira, tira ahí, tira ahí.
Lo voy a tirar para
El
allá,
Carmen se lo lleva por ir para allá como quiera.
a ver si pica.
Pero si tira ahí donde están ellos. I'm sure they gotta be alarm over there.
Where?
Para allá.
Allá.
Ahí. Aquí mismo voy a subir yo. Por aquí subo yo.
O te vayas a ir.
Yeah.
I wonder if they I wonder if the trucks are moving.
Ah,
I wonder if the trucks are moving.
if they're moving.
Yeah, like swimming upriver or something, or downstream, I don't know.
Déjame tirar para allá. Ahí está. El Karen se la lleva por ir para abajo, es ahí que viene y pican. There. It's just, tú sabes que aquí se saca un montón. Yeah. That's what probably they're doing. Hmm? I don't know. Yeah, he's still biting. Yeah. He's still biting. I think he's playing. See, I don't feel nothing in the hook, so I don't know if. Yeah. There you go. One more time. Oh, he's playing. Oh, I think I got him. No. Do I? No, yeah, I do. I do have him. Look at where he is. I'm over there. Look at where he is, right here. Ay, se me fue. Yeah, he's gone. Mira dónde estaba, ahí al lado. I'm over here thinking that he's way up, like towards the bridge. Oh, that's good anyway. We have fun. Otro día será, bro. Oh, yeah. Pues saluda, Knuckles. Este que Knuckles. Este es el Knuckles, el perro. Okay, guys. Until next time.